I am glad to welcome you to the GB Cars Problems channel. Today, we are diving into the Chevrolet Cruze first generation, produced from 2009 to 2015. This compact saloon and hatchback was a popular choice in the United Kingdom for its affordable price tag and decent fuel economy. Many drivers appreciated its spacious interior and smooth ride on motorways, making it a reliable daily driver for families. However, like any car, the Cruze has its share of issues that potential buyers should know about. We will start with the most common and frequently encountered problems, based on owner reports and mechanic insights across the UK. By understanding these, you can make an informed decision if you are eyeing a used model on sites like AutoTrader. One of the most widespread complaints is turbocharger failures, especially in the diesel variants popular here in Britain. The turbo can fail due to oil starvation or carbon buildup, leading to loss of power and expensive repairs costing up to £1,000. Owners often report this happening around 80,000 miles, but regular oil changes can help mitigate the risk. On the positive side, the Cruze's turbo diesel engine delivers impressive torque for overtaking on A roads. It achieves around 50 miles per gallon, which is a boon for long commutes. Nevertheless, if the turbo goes, you might face a bill exceeding £800 for a replacement unit. Another frequent headache is the water pump, which tends to leak or fail prematurely in both petrol and diesel models. This issue often stems from poor sealing or material fatigue, causing coolant loss and potential overheating. Mechanics in the UK note this cropping up as early as 50,000 miles, with repair costs around £300 to £500. That said, the Cruze's cooling system is otherwise robust, helping maintain engine efficiency in our variable British weather. Proactive owners who flush the coolant every 2 years rarely encounter this problem. Overall, it is a fixable flaw that does not detract from the car's value as a budget commuter. Transmission troubles rank high among common gripes, particularly with the automatic gearbox in higher mileage examples. Slipping gears or delayed shifts can occur due to worn solenoids or fluid degradation, affecting drivability on busy UK roads. Repairs might set you back £600 or more, though manual versions are generally more reliable. Positively, the manual transmission offers engaging shifts and better control for enthusiastic drivers. The car's handling is nimble for its class, inspiring confidence on twisty B roads. Still, always check the transmission fluid during a pre-purchase inspection to avoid surprises. Electrical gremlins also plague many Cruzes, including faulty ignition coils and PCV valve issues that cause rough idling or check engine lights. These problems are exacerbated by Britain's damp climate, leading to corrosion in wiring harnesses. Expect to pay £200 to £400 for diagnostics and fixes at a local garage. On the upside, the Cruze's infotainment system, while basic, integrates well with Bluetooth for hands-free calls, a must for UK drivers. The cabin electronics are user-friendly, appealing to tech-savvy owners. Just budget for occasional electrical tweaks to keep everything running smoothly. Suspension components wear out faster than expected, with bushings and shock absorbers failing on pothole-ridden British roads. This results in a bumpy ride and unusual noises, often noticeable after 60,000 miles. Replacement parts are affordable, around £200, but labour can add up. That being said, the Cruze's suspension setup provides a comfortable balance between comfort and control, ideal for family outings. It absorbs motorway imperfections well, enhancing long-distance appeal. Regular MOT checks can spot these issues early. Beyond the top 5, some owners report rust on the underbody, especially in salted winter conditions across the UK. Fuel pump failures in petrol models can strand you, costing £400 to resolve. Brake wear is average, but pads and discs need replacing every 30,000 miles or so. Despite these drawbacks, the Cruze shines in affordability, with used examples available from £2,000 to £5,000 depending on mileage and condition. Its boot space is generous at over 400 litres, perfect for shopping trips or weekends away. Fuel efficiency remains a strong selling point, often beating rivals like the Ford Focus in real-world tests. Interior quality is decent for the price, with supportive seats and ample legroom for rear passengers. However, plastic trim can feel cheap and rattle over time on uneven surfaces. Visibility is good, aiding parking in tight UK streets. Engine options include a 1.6-litre petrol that's peppy in town, though it lacks the punch of the diesel. The 1.7-litre diesel is more economical, sipping fuel at rates that keep running costs low. Both benefit from Chevrolet's warranty extensions in the UK market. Safety features are solid, with multiple airbags and stability controls standard from 2011 onwards. It earned a 5-star Euro NCAP rating, reassuring for family use. ABS and traction control perform well in wet British weather. Maintenance is straightforward, with parts readily available from suppliers like Euro Car Parts. DIY enthusiasts appreciate the accessible engine bay. However, specialized tools might be needed for turbo-related work. In terms of driving dynamics, the Cruze handles competently, but is not the most exciting in its segment. It prioritizes comfort over sportiness, which suits relaxed drivers. Steering is light, making it easy for urban maneuvers. Resale value holds up reasonably, especially for well-maintained diesels. Expect to recoup about 60% of purchase price after 3 years. This makes it a smart buy for budget-conscious buyers. Fuel tank capacity is 60 liters, allowing for extended range without frequent stops. Emissions are low for the era, complying with Euro 5 standards. This helps with lower road tax bans in the UK. Now let us summarize the top 5 weaknesses we covered: turbo failures, water pump issues, transmission problems, electrical faults, and suspension wear. These are the most reported by UK owners on forums like Honest John. Addressing them promptly can extend the car's life significantly. On the brighter side, the Cruze offers great value, reliability in core areas, and practicality for everyday use. Its styling is modern for the time, turning heads in car parks. Overall, it is a dependable choice if you avoid neglected examples. In conclusion, the Chevrolet Cruze first generation suits budget-minded commuters or small families who prioritize economy over excitement. It is ideal for those clocking up motorway miles in the UK, provided you factor in potential repair costs. If you are mechanically inclined or opt for a warranty, it could be a rewarding ownership experience. And if you own this automotive masterpiece, please describe the problems you encountered while driving it. Perhaps your review will help viewers when choosing a car. That's all I have for now. Thank you all very much for your attention. I'd be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. See you soon.